basically a fun little trip to go to Washington and learn about all of these things from our history that you probably never even knew about, even those small little details, which is pretty much amazing.
Oh, what's up? We're at Mount Vernon, and right behind me, we got Washington's mansion right there. Supposedly, that's where he thought of the Constitution.
Kind of a strawberry blonde hair in his younger days. I think they learn a little bit more about themselves. I think they learn a lot about their government. I do see that a lot of the kids say that on this week, they learn more in this 1 week than they do in the classroom in an entire year. But you have to remember the state of our country at that point.
It's so rude though. That's so sad.
I mean, all they know is pictures in a book. They know what it looks like on the back of a penny, but to see these things close up that we learn about in their entire life, I think it kind of puts perspective together for these kids so that they can cook it, right?
It was made in Mount Vernon, like how they did in Washington's Day.
Woo! How is it?
Pretty good.
What is this you have?
This is pork butter.
So you're telling me George Washington ate this stuff?
Probably, yeah, for free.
You know, they always say history repeats itself. I really want them to understand the struggles that our countries had to go through. And hopefully these kids can learn from those struggles, the hardships.
That's the Washington Monument. Seeing Lincoln, seeing Jefferson, seeing all these names really impacted me.
There were some places that I thought were cool just because of the art. I usually like art-related things.
I haven't been out of my state, which is Arizona, too much. And also, I'm a very patriotic person, so I enjoy seeing all the American flags around.
I like the Lincoln Memorial. It was way bigger than I expected. It's beautiful. I don't know, I like it a lot.
Many of our kids have never left Arizona. They've never traveled. They've never been on a plane. That part of it I think is huge because life experiences are important for these kids. Because you have to remember, guys, these nurses were the mothers, they were the sisters, they were the girlfriends. I have such a love for history and I want that to come across with these kids, to enjoy that and to experience more.
Everything is just on a giant scale than back home. It's everything is so close. There's monuments everywhere. There's giant buildings and all these classical Roman architecture and statues. It's really cool, and I have to take a photo of everything.
How do you help today's teens realize the sacrifices made to secure their freedoms?
We're on spring break in Texas, so I'm bringing my boys up here.
It hit me he's here to come to come remember his friends, technically his brothers and sisters in arms.
My first casualty, Jeremy Mulhair, he's over in he's in gravesite 60s. I left a quarter today, and I got to tell him I missed him and I'll see him again.
That hit me, and when he was talking about he couldn't save everybody.
You all are worth it. Every single one of y'all were worth it. This whole republic, this democratic republic, doesn't work without you understanding, right? And I need you to be involved.
It's just something that they did for us, not for their ego. They did it for everyone in future generations.
It was an honor, sir. You guys are all worth it.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. God bless.
Thank you.
We will begin a session of Congress.
With the close-up program itself and getting into those workshops, that made me more open-minded.
About COVID aftermath.
Sanctuary cities, minimum wage, body cameras.
It's been a good experience seeing people actually interact respectfully and stuff.
We want to protect the rights of our peers.
It's really good to see people talk it out and have different opinions, but still even consider the other person's opinion or they kind of say like, well, we can agree to disagree.
It's what makes our democracy so great, to communicate, even if you're on the left, you're on the right, you're in the middle.
It'll help give more minorities and women like an actual say in Congress.
I think it's important that these kids learn to have a voice and be able to know and understand what it means to be active within their community.
I feel like no matter what, everybody's going to disagree on something. We're not all going to agree. At the end of the day, we know we're still going to come together. We're united. We're one nation.